We also discussed, and I appreciate that, the situation in Afghanistan in detail. We are, of course, deeply worried that Afghanistan become a safe haven for terrorist groups. The people of Pakistan knows the horrors of terrorism better than anyone else. Thousands in this country have died, and Pakistan is a very important country in the region. So we had a frank and good discussion on how to deal with the new Taliban regime, how it can become the government in Afghanistan become more representative, inclusive, also respecting fundamental human rights, including the rights for all, including women and minorities, and also ensuring girls can go to school again. Things like that was very important. I know how important Pakistan is to the stability and security of the region, to the stability and security in Afghanistan, and that we need to work together because despite the situation in August in Afghanistan, we all have a keen interest in finding a way forward. We will not turn our back to the situation in Afghanistan. We will still stand up to fight that Afghanistan again becomes an international safe haven for terrorist groups, that the basic rights of the people that lives in Afghanistan, the population, is respected, and that we will create stability and security in the whole region. So thank you so much for receiving me so kindly. It's really good to be here in Pakistan as a foreign minister.